Hello, boys and girls. This is the math video. This is for lesson 10. So yesterday we did lesson 9. Today is lesson 10. Once again, this video is review. This video is not review. The lesson is review. So should not be any new information. And also, we're going to be going over the same stuff that we went over on Tuesday with lesson 9. So it says use the symbols less than, greater than, and equal to compare quantities and numerals. Again, quantities is amount, numerals is number. So we're going to use these symbols to compare amounts and numbers, okay? So our target, I can use symbols less than, greater than, and equal to compare quantities and numerals. So here is our application problem. Elaine and Mike were picking blueberries. Elaine had 19 blueberries and ate 10. Mike had 13 and picked 7 more. Compare Elaine and Mike's blueberries after Elaine ate some and Mike picked some more. Use words and pictures to show how many blueberries each person has. Okay, so Elaine had how many? 19. So there's our 19 blueberries, and she ate 10. So are we going to add 10 to 19, or are we going to take away 10? Well, if she ate blueberries, then they'd be going away, right? So we're going to take away 10. So Mike had 13, and he picked 7 more. So if you had a basket of 13 blueberries, and you went and you picked 7 more, and you put them in your basket, would you be adding or taking away? You'd be adding, right? So there's our 7 more. So how many blueberries does Elaine have now? Well, we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know if you guys can see them with my face in the way. Okay, there's the 9 blueberries that she has left over. Elaine now has 9 blueberries. Mike had 13. We added 7 more. Well, we know this is a 10 and this is a 10. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, we count by tens, 10, 20. So Mike now has 20 blueberries. So they want us to compare 9 and 20. So we're going to put Elaine 9 and Mike's 20. It says use the term greater than or less than in your statement. So is 9 less than 20 or greater than 20? We know that 9 is less than 20. Okay, so this is our concept development. This sign, we call this symbol the greater than sign, okay? This one is the less than sign. So can you figure out the symbol we will use between these numbers? So we have 15 and we have 18, okay? So is 15 less than 18, or is 15 greater than 18, or is 15 equal to 18? We know that 15 is less than 18, right? So is the mouth going to eat 18, or is the mouth going to eat 15? It's going to eat 18, right? So this statement now says 15 is less than 18. So this is our problem set. So it has 17 and then it has 3 ones, 1 10. It wants us to circle the statement that is true. Then it wants us to put the numbers on the line and compare them with the correct symbol, okay? So 3 ones, 1 10. We know 10s come first. So if we had 1 10 and then we added 3 ones, so if we had 1 quick 10 and then we went 1, 2, 3, what would we have? We would have 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So this number is 13. So is 17 greater than, less than, equal to 13? It's greater than, right? So we're going to put 17 on that first line. We figured this was 13. So is 17 less than, greater than, or equal to 13? 17 is, we said greater than, so the mouth has to eat 17. 17 is greater than 13. Yes. Okay, guys, so that is the lesson for today. So what you guys need to do, let me get to it. Should have had it open already. You guys will have a problem set for this lesson. So what you're going to do is you're just going to do like normal. You're going to go in here. You're going to answer these 6 problems, okay? There we go. There's the pictures. So you're going to go in and you're going to select the correct answer for each statement. So make sure that the symbol is eating the bigger number, okay? And you'll go through and work on all 6 of these. Now this is like one we did in our lesson. So you're circling, putting the number on the line, and then making sure that symbol is correct, okay? And when you're done with that, you click submit on the bottom. So that is for lesson 10. I hope you guys have a good day, and maybe we will get to see you guys that aren't getting to see us on live. Maybe you guys can come on into class and join us. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and that's it for now. Bye.